What's up, guys? Malik here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be looking at all of my trades. Today, August 4th, 2023. We had a lot of losers today and two winners. But basically, what I think messed me up today was just taking two big losses where I didn't really set my stop loss when I went in on the trade. So I was quickly shown that I was wrong. Trade went against me, and that resulted in a loss of 118.60 here. So that's basically what took place today. I'll be breaking down all of the trades. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. So the first trade, right, is a trade at this is actually in the night. So this is around 10 p.m. in the night. Let's actually break it down. The 10 p.m. in the night would have been 22. And let's put it to the 15 minutes so you have a closer breakdown of what's going on. So first trade at 10 p.m. And that was to the sell side. So that was at Thursday at 22 flat, and that was at 15,428.4. I entered the sell side because I thought the market would have sold off more, just looking at how the candlesticks were forming. But it basically stayed in this range before breaking down. And even then, it would have taken me out a little later in the market. I entered to the sell side here. And then got stopped out on the 115 candle early in the morning. So that was at 15,457.5. So I basically woke up to see these losses. So this loss was a loss of 14.55. And then the next one, I have the same stop loss set, so I got hit out. But the next one I actually entered at 0.8. So 15,428.8. Cool. And then moving on, the next trade I entered. So I didn't too much trades before market open, honestly. Like I need, like it's basically proven to me like it doesn't make sense for me to trade outside of market open. So I entered this one at 7:30. So on the 7:30 candle here, I entered to the buy side, and that was at 15. Let's actually make this a bit smaller because this is annoying. 15,382.4, the buy side. And then I actually got stopped out on the 7:45 candle. That was at 15,368 flat for a total loss of 1440. Then moving on, I entered another trade at that's looking like 8 flat. So 8 flat here, enter to the buy side again because I'm expecting a reaction off of this zone pushing to the upside. I didn't get that reaction at all. So I entered here at 15,386.8. And then I actually got stopped out on the 815. That was at 15,300. 69.3, 15369.3. Okay. So I had my stop loss basically right at the zone, and then I got stopped out there and just basically took my loss and went on from there. So the next trade entered on the 8:45. So by then, the market had already started to move up after taking me out. And then I entered at 15430.6. And then I got stopped out on the 9:45 candle. And that was at 15413.3 for a total loss of 1730. And then I entered another trade on the same candle before at 15431.6. 15431.6. So you can see I'm taking a lot of losers here. A lot. So the next one entered to the buy side, and I thought it could have been a great trade, but I didn't let it be great because I assumed too much risk on this trade, and then I was hoping that it didn't go down a bit more, so I didn't really want to assume that much risk in case it continued going down. So I entered this one at 9:45. It was at 15378.6. Then I looked like I got stopped out, or I manually closed this on the 10 o'clock candle, which was like the peak of fear before the market rebounded. So that's where I closed it for a loss of 59.30. And then the next one, since I closed both of them at the same price, entered this one at 1577.6. So one was a loss of 59.30 and the other one was a loss of 58.30. Right? These were the ones I didn't set the stop loss correctly, as in when I entered the trade, and then they started to push down before I was able to exit. Right? So the next one, I flipped now and decided to try to take this to the downside now at 15361.9. And then I got stopped out on the 10:15 at 15380.5 for a total loss of 1860. And then I had same stop loss set on the 10:15, and that was that I entered on this one at 15362.6, 362.6 for a total loss of 1790, correct? Then moving on, and as you can see, these are some bigger losses on the day, which were not confluent to my strategy. They don't seem like what I wanted to trade today, honestly. They don't seem like my regular trades. They seem a bit out of spec. This next trade now, I entered at 15385.9 to the downside, and then I got stopped out on the 10:30 for a loss of 1720 at 15403.1. I'll be using this same stop loss because I entered the other one around the same time, but I had the same stop loss. But then the entry is different because of the time. So I entered this one at 15387.9. So it was a total loss of 1520. And then these were my good winners for today. So I saw the market starting to push up from the zone. I decided to enter from there and having my stop loss somewhere around here. So maybe I should just look for some nice setups just like this, where you have I have a zone here, a break through the zone, hit this trade after like confirmation, and then have my stop loss somewhere here or even at the zone. Take it from there. I could have had a huge like range here, basically with a risk of around 10. So I entered this one at 15. Let's do it at 15413.1. Then I got stopped out in profit at 12.15 at 15.512 for a total profit of 98.90. You can see this was a nicer trade. And then the other I entered at 15.423.3. And then that I closed on the 12.30 now at the highest point of the market, 15.507.9 for a total profit of 84.60. And that was the highest point in the market. Basically, that's what happened today. Today wasn't, there was a huge trading opportunity today and back down. And that could have been traded, but I was able to only take one side of the trade. Honestly, I wish I had like a signal booster, because if I'm not able to see the charts, I can't make some good trades. So hopefully I can get that sorted out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy Friday. I love you all. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.